Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Topps Museum Collection and Tier 1 Baseball 6-box mixer number 13 random teams. All right, let's do the random. We have 28 names, 28 teams. Here we go. Good luck. We will randomize 5 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Travis U down to Scott Y. 5 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Giants down to Red Sox. Get these pasted over. All right, we have Travis U Giants, Nick P Dodgers, Nick N Twins, Philip M Reds, Nicholas S Tigers, Gary P Mets, Jake W Phillies, Troy L Cardinals, John E Nationals, Scott Y A's and Rays, Gary P Blue Jays, Kevin R Padres, David B Cubs, Andrew R Mariners, James M Astros, Scott V Pirates, Suzanne P White Sox, Anthony P Royals, Joseph L Braves, J Kim Yankees, Furhan A Rangers, Scott Y Brewers, Mac S Orioles, Bo G Guardians D-backs, Andrew L Marlins Rockies, James D Angels, and Scott Y Red Sox. All right, I'll get those results posted to the website, drop a link in the chat, and we'll get this started here in just a minute. All right, results are posted. Here's your link to the results. Again, we are sold out for the day. Thank you all so much for that. Grab your boxes for personals with Forrest tonight. And also 10 box Tuesday breaks are posted. So let's start filling those up. All right. Let's do it. This is Padres. Jersey to 399, Mike Piazza. And Royals, Bronze Ink Auto to 25, Whit Merrifield. Go KC. This is Padres, Jersey Auto to 49, Fernando Tatis Jr. Nice hit, San Diego. Kevin R. I know, isn't that weird, Rob? Pulling a Padres Piazza. There you go, Kevin. Great start to the break. Woo! Yankees. 1 of 1. Bat knob, Derek Jeter.
Oh, wow.
There you go, J Kim. Awesome hit.
Oh, man.
This is just what I do. It's just what I do.
Jeez.
Wow. There you go, J Kim. Awesome. Jeter, 1 of 1 bat knob. Are you really? That's awesome. Congrats, Christopher. This is Blue Jays rookie auto to 299, Otto Lopez. And more for the Yankees. Auto to 100, Don Mattingly. It's ridiculous. I pulled so many. Guys, the first tier 1 break I ever did was in 2017. I pulled a Trevor Story bat knob auto. I pulled another bat knob in 2018. And then that was before I joined up with LSC. And then after that, I didn't pull a bat knob for ages out of tier 1. And then this year, I'm just pulling them all over the place. This is Rays jersey, $2.99, Brandon Lau. Yeah, if you want insurance, you can grab that off the website. Most definitely recommend it. This is Angels auto to $2.99, Jared Walsh. And Reds. This is Jumbo Patch Auto to 10, Jesse Winker. Love these momentous material autos. Oh, it's Prodigious Patch. Sorry, Prodigious Patch Auto. Don't care. Love it anyway. All right, last box of tier 1. Orioles jersey, $2.99, Cal Ripken Jr. Oh, dang it. It's Marlins auto to $1.99, Sixto Sanchez. And Cardinals, silver ink auto, 5 of 10. Nolan Arenado. Nice one, St. Louis. That is Troy L. There you go, Troy. That was a heck of a 4 boxes of tier 1. All right, museum. Oh, started off with a rookie copper, Cal Raleigh. It's Bellinger, Bregman, and rookie Bobby Witt Jr. This is Brewers jersey to 50, Robin Yount. Here you go, Milwaukee. Heavy one. I think we might have a framed auto coming. Yep, gold framed auto coming. It's Fernando Tatis Jr., Sapphire to 150. Beebs, Mays, Reggie Jackson. And Mariners. That is gold framed, gold ink auto to 10, Edgar Martinez. Nice hit, Seattle. Andrew R. Yeah, 180. What a 6-boxer. I'm telling you, we have had a couple of these mixers, these museum tier 1 mixers that have been not great. Other than that, man, we've just pulled some incredible stuff out of them. There's Tony Gwynn, copper. Lindor, Julio Rodriguez, rookie. Chipper. And Royals. That's dual relic auto, Whit Merrifield. It's a $3.99. Right team, wrong Whit. All right. There's Hunter Green, rookie copper. Green copper for the Reds. Or copper green for the Reds. Yeah, better than right team, wrong fish. There's Devers, Pujols, and Alec Boehm. Sketch reproduction. And this is Rays. Quad jerseys to 99. Randy Rosarena, Brandon Lau, Vidal Brujan, and Kevin Kiermaier. These quad relics actually sell a lot better than I expected on eBay. All right. Here we go. Last box. Let's finish strong. We started strong. We have 4 cards magged out of this break already. Vidal Brujan, rookie copper. Kershaw, Babe, and Derek Jeter, sketch reproduction. And this is Twins. Jersey to 35, Alex Kirilloff. Huh. I think it's a jersey. It's numbered to 35 and it's thicker like a patch. Maybe a patch. All right. That's Amethyst, rookie to 99, George Kirby. Arenado, Cabrera, Rafael Devers, and A's auto to 125, Dennis Eckersley. This man championed the mullet very, very late into.
And the stash.
Oh yeah, that stash
Known
was.
for the fresh hair, the stash.
If there were a mullet Hall of Fame, he would be in it. I mean, he's in the Baseball Hall of Fame. It's probably more important to him, but heavy one. Got a big card coming. There's Harmon Killebrew, copper, Anthony Rizzo, Chris Bryant, Joe Ryan, and 2 of 5, momentous material, dual jumbo patch, autograph relic book card. Wow, look at that. Buster Posey and Yadier Molina. Cardinals and Giants. Troy L. and Travis U. That is awesome. Guys, I think, so usually we have about $1,000 threshold for dual relic or for like multi-team hits. I'm going to have Lane reach out to you guys because these guys, especially Molina, sell really well. I don't know what that book will go for, but 2 of 5 dual autograph relic book. I'll have Lane reach out to you guys, see if you want to random it, see if one of you wants to buy the other one out, or if you want us to sell that on eBay for you. Again, I'm not sure on the value, but just to be on the safe side, and if you guys decide to random it, we'll definitely random it for you. Yeah, for sure. One hell of a break here. Gee whiz. All right. Last pack. There's Ricky Henderson. Sapphire to 150. Altuve, Brett, Acuna, and Yankees. Quad relic to 99. Gleyber Torres. That's 2 jerseys, 2 bats. There you go, Yanks. Man, this recap is going to be awesome. All right, we had Yankees quad relic to 99, Gleyber Torres. Twins jersey or patch to 35, Alex Kirilloff. Rays quad jerseys to 99, Rosarena, Lau, Brujan, and Kiermaier. Brewers jersey to 50, Robin Yount. Orioles jersey to 299, Cal Ripken Jr. Rays jersey to 299, Brandon Lau. Padres jersey to 399, Mike Piazza. Autos, we had A's to 125, Dennis Eckersley. Royals dual relic auto, Whit Merrifield. That was to $3.99. Marlins to $1.99, Sixto Sanchez. Reds jumbo patch auto to 10, Jesse Winker. That's Angels $2.99, Jared Walsh. Yankees to 100, Don Mattingly. Blue Jays rookie to $2.99, Otto Lopez. There's the auto. Royals bronze ink auto to 25, Whit Merrifield. We had that momentous material dual jumbo patch autograph relic book card 2 of 5. That's Buster Posey and Yadier Molina. Again, I'm going to have Lane reach out to the owners of the Giants and Cardinals spots. Giants was Travis U. Cardinals was Troy L. See what you guys want to do on that. We had Mariners gold framed auto to 10, Edgar Martinez. Cardinals silver ink auto to 10, Nolan Arenado. Padres jersey auto to 49, Fernando Tatis Jr. And Derek Jeter, 1 of 1, game used bat knob. That will do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. That was so much fun. We have Panini Mixers up next.